What's up guys, this is a quick video on how to make a burning barrel. So first of all guys, what you need to do is obviously get a barrel. This is a 200 litre one, which I think is about 4.5 gallons. And basically you want to pick one of these up. You can pick these up from anywhere on eBay, or you can go to a car showroom place and see if they've got any lying around. So basically this one had oil in it. I don't know if you can read that, but it says it had SAE 5W30 oil in it. So it says BMW LL04. Right, so basically, yeah, this one actually had oil in it. And what I'm trying to emphasize is just to be careful, because if you do get a barrel and it's got oil in it, or if it's got fuel in it, whatever, you have to open it up and make sure it's empty and let it evaporate anything inside. So that's the first thing you need to do. If you don't, it can implode from inside, because when you're cutting it, it can actually spark. So just be careful with that. So right guys, like I said, I've got loads of wood to burn. I've got absolutely loads of wood to burn. That bag's full of wood. I've got loads of wood down here as well, and bits of wood here and there everywhere. But like I said, if you can do this, do it outside. The only reason I'm doing it inside is because I'm renovating a full house, and I've got nothing here what's going to get damaged at all. So it's just easier for me to do it inside, just in case it starts raining on and off again. Right, before we start, I'm just going to let you know what tools we're using. So I'm going to be using my combi drill to make holes in the sides. So I'm using a hole saw bit on it, and that's 44 millimeters. So the reason we're going to make holes in it is just to help it get oxygen inside and help it burn, and that'll stop the fire going out, and it'll burn a lot faster as well. So the next thing we're going to need is a grinder. So I've got my grinder. It's just got a diamond cut bit on the end of it, so I'm going to use that to cut it. And the only other things we will need are get some glasses and get some gloves, because it will spark when we're using the grinder on it. Best to use goggles, but I've just got some glasses, so anything's better than nothing, because you don't want any sharp metal bits spraying off and going into your eyes. So just be careful with that. And like I said, just grab a pair of gloves. So right guys, the first thing we're going to do is cut the lid open, and we're going to use a grinder to cut the lid open. So right guys, that's the lid taken off it. So right guys, the next thing we're gonna do is make a series of holes all the way around. So up to you how many holes you want to actually make. So right, that's what we're gonna do now. So right guys, I'm quite happy with that now. I've got enough holes in it. If I need any more I can do some more, but there is one thing else I am going to do because I've got quite a lot of wood to burn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some bigger holes at the bottom, and what that will do is it'll make it like a furnace, meaning it'll suck more air in from the bottom and it will burn really quickly. So it won't take me all day just to burn a bit of wood. So right, that's what I'm going to do now with my grinder. So right guys, that's the barrel complete and it's ready to use, and what I'll do is I'll do you a quick demo of it actually being in use. Just be careful because when you first burn it, what it will do is it'll burn all this paint off from around the sides, and just make sure you don't breathe in the smoke until the paint's all come off, but basically just be careful. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about making one, and thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.